Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to disable all notifications on WhatsApp. If you're tired of constantly being bombarded with notifications from the messaging app, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to turn off all WhatsApp notifications on your Android phone. Step 1. Open your Android phone's settings. You can usually find this app in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping on the gear icon. Step 2. Navigate to the Apps section in your settings. This is where you can view and manage all the apps installed on your device. Step 3. Find and select WhatsApp from the list of apps. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate WhatsApp. Step 4. Tap on the Notifications option. This will bring up all the notification settings for WhatsApp on your device. Step 5. Finally, turn off the toggle for Show Notifications. This will disable all notifications from WhatsApp, including sound, vibration, and pop-up alerts. And that's it. You've successfully disabled all notifications on WhatsApp. Now you can enjoy some peace and quiet without being constantly interrupted by notifications from the messaging app. If you ever decide you want to turn notifications back on, simply repeat these steps and toggle the setting back on. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on how to make the most of your Android device. See you next time.